Hello mga ka-designs! Ang ituturo ko ngayon ay kung paano gawin o paano gumawa ng orthographic projection. But before we start doing the activity, ay alamin muna natin ang ibig sabihin ng orthographic projection, views, projections, and planes of projection. The word orthographic comes from the Greek word orthos and graphos, meaning straight and to draw, and it refers to the straight projection lines connecting to the other views. Orthographic projection is a graphic representation of the different views of an object to show the necessary information needed. Orthographic projection represents three-dimensional object into separate views arranged in a standard manner. The third view in orthographic projection is the different positions that an object may be projected, and this is done by extending perpendicular lines to the plane and to all parts of the object. Ang view na tinutukoy dito ay ang 6 principal views ng orthographic projection, which is the front view, top view, left side view, right side view, rear view, and bottom view. Parang sa plano ng bahay, meron din itong different elevations that shows detailed information sa paggawa ng perspective drawing ito. Projections. This is the perpendicular lines or lines extending from the object to the plane. Planes of projection. This is the picture planes which the views of the object are viewed or projected. To start our drawing activity, we need the following drawing tools and materials. We need T-square, eraser, sharpener, triangles, drawing paper, and masking tape. Kung okay na ang lahat, simulan na natin.
I can't believe this.
Let's start. So kung makikita ninyo, yung object kapag nakadrawing sa drawing paper or sa papel, ito ang magiging itsura niya. Ganyan. So ang nakikita lang natin is yung top view, front view, saka yung right side view. Drafting tools and materials, ito ang kagandahan kapag meron kang triangles. Kapag wala ang T-square, pwede mong gamitin ang isa pang triangle. So mostly gagamitin natin dito sa orthographic drawing ay yung 45 by 45. Yung 30 by 60 na triangle, pwede siyang maging base kung wala kang T-square. First step in sketching orthographic projection is study the object. Second, determine the views and their arrangement on the drawing paper. Para malaman natin yung arrangement ng mga views, kailangan muna nating mag-drawing ng horizontal line and vertical line to determine the position of the first view dito. So you need to use light lines para mabilis siyang ma-erase. Third is determine the size. Let's say for example, the width is 4 inches and the depth is 5 inches and the height is 4 inches. So syempre hindi natin siya i-drawing dito ng naka-inches kasi malaki, hindi siya magkakasya. So i-scale natin siya into centimeter. Yung 4 inches dito gagawin nating 4 centimeter and yung 5 gagawin nating 5 centimeter para magkasya. So we know now the dimensions or the size of the object. Measure na natin yung height. So yung height natin kanina is 5 inches, pero gagawin natin siyang 5 cm. 4 inches wala. Gagawin natin siyang 4 cm and the width is 4. So we have now the height. And then vertical line. Na drawing na natin yung first box.
I can't believe
Next na
this.
gagawin natin ay gagawin natin yung next box. But before that, we need to determine the distance. Let's say for example, 1 centimeter distance. And then we need to draw again another vertical line. We will make it 5 centimeter. We will draw again another horizontal. Vertical I should say. Pwede natin maging basis yung dalawang box, orthographic box, para magawa natin yung iba pang box. We use the 45 degree from this point. So we need to draw inclined line. Sa kabila, kailangan ding meron. These lines are the projection lines. These lines are the projection lines, the vertical lines, the horizontal lines, So, gawa tayo ng orthographic box ng top view. Yun. Project natin siya doon. Hanggang sa dulo na. Sa dulo. And try to look at this. So, yung distance, ayun din yung magiging distance ng susunod na box. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-measure ng mga distances kasi meron ka naman ng mga projection lines. So, project lang natin sila ng project. So, project natin sila hanggang sa dulo. Para dun. Yan. So, gamit lang tayo niyan. So, nandun na yung nag-intersect siya doon. Nag-intersect siya doon. Up. Okay. Para makuha natin yung distance na rear view, kailangan nating gumawa ulit ng isa pang 45 degree dito. Yan. Kita nyo, nag-intersect siya doon. Yun yung susundan natin. Kung ano yung size ng front view, ayun yung magiging size ng rear. 4 cm. Okay. Up. Ang ilalagay natin. And half din sa taas. Gawin nating half ng 4 is 2. So we will use horizontal and vertical. Okay, habig ba sila? Okay, and sa right side view or the depth, the distance from front view to rear view, ganito magiging itsura. Okay, kalahati ng 5 ay 2.5. So how about this inclined part? So gagawin natin dyan is yung point from this point to point. Okay, so yung end point ng box natin nakaproject siya sa taas. Yung endpoint dapat naka-project. Yan. So since yung gitna naka-project doon, ay siya i-project din papunta ron. And yung basis natin yung front view, since nakatagay yan or may point yan, you need to project again forward. So let us check kung nai-imagine nyo yung itsura niya ay ganito. Left side view, kabaliktaran lang ng taas niya, nag-meet doon, so project natin down. Okay, the rear view, yan, kabaliktaran din yan ng rear view, kabaliktaran ng front view or nasa likod ng front view. So ang pinagkaiba nga lang ng rear view, hindi niya nakikita yung mga lines. Project tayo, project din natin yung horizontal line doon. And then yung sa taas, project natin siya doon, mag-point doon. So we will use this project. Na-draw na natin yung details. Okay, so yung fifth na step natin is draw the details. Other parts of the object should first be sketched with light lines. So nagawa na natin yun. Meron na tayong mga light lines na meron na yung details. Next is trace the visible edges. Okay, so ano nga ba yung mga visible? Start na natin i-drawing yung mga visible lines. So ang hidden lines ay ganito. So ibig sabihin lang yan ay merong natatakpang linya, hidden, nakatago. So we have the front, the top, right side, left side, rear, and bottom view. So yan, tapos na natin ang ating orthographic projection. Hopefully meron kayong mga natutunan. For more videos like this, kailangan nyo lang abangan yung mga susunod pang mga i-upload ko sa YouTube para matry naman natin yung iba pang object